Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 073848 1382. Today we have a 2016 Nissan Navara ST. This vehicle sustained damage to the front. This shape ran from the 5th month 2015 to current. This vehicle is fitted with a YS23 DDTT 2.3 litre turbo diesel. Backed by rear wheel drive automatic transmission. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mag wheels. Left front has a good tyre. We have the left-hand power door mirror. Left-hand door appears to have no damage. Left-hand rear door appears to have no damage. Factory 16-inch alloy mag wheel. Left rear has a good tyre. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tail light. Factory 16-inch alloy mag wheel. Right rear has a good tyre. Right-hand rear door appears to have no damage. There's a right-hand power door mirror. Factory 16-inch alloy mag wheel. Right front has a good tyre. This vehicle is fitted with a factory black cloth interior. We have the power window master switch, driver's side. Has a tidy center console lid, tidy automatic transmission center console, tidy handbrake lever, factory AC controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror. Has a tidy left-hand sun visor, tidy courtesy light with sunglass holder, tidy right-hand sun visor, automatic transmission instrument cluster, I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.